Hello, welcome to my channel चलो सीखते हैं. I am Rakesh with summary of a new lesson. But before going to start the lesson, if you have not subscribed my channel, then subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon so that you will get the notification of any new video uploaded by me first to you. We are going to take summary of lesson 5, The Ailing Planet, The Green Movement's Role by Nani Palkhiwala. The title, The Ailing Planet, means Bimar Grah. The planet here refers to our Earth. The health of the planet Earth is declining. This issue has been raised by Nani Palkhiwala in his article published in the Indian Express newspaper on 24th November 1994. Here we will also see the role of the Green Movement. So let's start the lesson. The lesson starts with the introduction of the Green Movement. What is Green Movement? It is an environmental movement. Green Movement makes people conscious of stopping further degradation of nature. It means protection of natural resources. The Green Party was founded in 1972 in New Zealand. We have shifted to holistic and ecological view of the earth. Holistic means whole, akhand. We should see the earth as a living entity. It simply means the earth is our mother and we are the parts of this earth. What is an ecological view? Ecological view means we should save the resources of the earth. We should consider ourselves as a trustee of the resources for the future generation. What are natural resources? Natural resources are materials from the earth that are used to support life and meet people's needs. For example, coal, oil, natural gas, metals, air, sunlight, water, etc. The concept of sustainable development was popularized in 1987 by the World Commission on Environment and Development. What do you mean by sustainable development? Sustainable development means development in such a way that the future generation would sustain. It means that we should use the natural resources in such a way that the future generation would get these resources to meet their needs. In the zoo at Lusaka, Zambia. Zambia is an African country. Its capital is Lusaka. There is a cage where the notice reads, "The world's most dangerous animal." Inside the cage there is no animal but a mirror where you see yourself. This type of idea indicates that man is the most dangerous animal in the world. It has disturbed all the other species of this planet Earth. The Brent Commission, which was an independent commission on international development issues, read the question, "Are we going to leave our successors a scorched planet?" The book, The Global Economic Prospect by Mr. Lesser R. Brown, says that there are four biological systems of the earth. They are fisheries, forest, grasslands, and croplands, and they form the foundation of the global economic system. These four systems provide food and all raw materials for industry except minerals and petroleum derived synthetic materials. In most parts of the world, these systems have reached at the point of unsustainable level. Overfishing is now a very common thing every day. In poor countries, people cut trees to get firewood for cooking. We are destructing tropical forest, which is the house of several species of animals. Thus they face extinction. The tropical forest is depleting at the rate of 40 to 50 million acres per year. We are also burning cow dung, which is an important natural fertilizer. Now look at the Article 48 of the Indian Constitution. It says that the state shall endeavor to protect and improve the environment and to safeguard the forest and wildlife of the country. But the fact is that laws are never respected nor enforced in India. India, according to a reliable data, is losing its forest at the rate of 3.7 million acres a year, but the actual loss of forest is 10 million hectares per year between 2015 to 2020. The population of the world is increasing. It took mankind more than a million years to reach the first billion. 1 billion means 100 crore. That was the world population around the year 1800. By the year 1900, a second billion was added. The present world population is 7.8 billion as of October 2020. The rich get richer and the poor beget children which make them poor. Because more children doesn't mean more workers. The population of India is 138 crore by October 2020. For the first time, we think the survival. Survival means जीवित रहने की स्थिति. Not just of the people, but of the planet. It is a holistic and ecological view to see the world as an integrated whole rather than to collection of parts. In the words of Mr. Lesser Brown, we have not inherited the earth from our forefathers, we have borrowed it from our children.